Recently, I actually bought a bucket seat for my car because, as you guys know, I badly need a bucket seat for some track duty so that I don't get thrown around. So it's finally here. It's actually a Zerofighter racing seat, and I believe I'm the first one to actually make a video, an unboxing video of this on YouTube, because I don't know anyone who has bought this racing seat. Oh yeah. Oh shit, it's a grid queue. What? So guys, my dad is the one who ordered the seat. I told him to order the Zerofighter seat, and then it's the grid queue that came. Supplies! I thought it was a Zerofighter seat, but no, it's a Sparco grid queue, which is actually way better than the Zerofighter seat because this one is actually FIA approved. Good thing that I have not bought a seat rail yet because I was planning to buy a seat rail for the Zerofighter. Good thing I decided to do an unboxing first before buying one because it's actually a Sparco grid queue. Wow, it looks so nice. It looks so padded. Sparco grid queue, FIA approved seat. I think it's FIA. It's supposed to be FIA approved. Yeah, it is. Nice. Not valid after 2024. 4 years to use this, guys. Ay, kita na naman yung Crocs mo. Not a Zerofighter seat. Surprise. Parang sakto lang eh. This is where my shoulder rests. Sakto dito.
Pati yung butas
Even here.
for the harness. Tama lang
For
sa
the harness?
height.
Tama ba? Yes. Sakto lang yung height, no? Nice. Ay. So yeah, I thought it was gonna be the Zerofighter, but this is actually a way better seat. This is an FIA approved seat. The Zerofighter seat that I was gonna go for was not an FIA approved seat. That is the Sparco grid queue. I hope you enjoyed. Now I need to buy some railings and install it on Project GK5. And I'll see you next time.